Academy of Aggressive Behavior. The Academy of Aggressive Behavior is a Jove educational and research institution dedicated to training space cadets to join the Jove Navy. As the Jove have generally engineered out their aggressive instincts, the Academy is a vital part of ensuring the Jove Navy remains combat capable. It uses a variety of techniques, from gene transfer to psychotherapy, in order to allow the Jove to engage in martial expressions. History. The Academy of Aggressive Behavior was one of many corporations to be created following the establishment of the Third Empire in an attempt to combat the debilitating effects of the Jovian disease. One of the prevailing theories at the time was that the disease was related to the Jove neutering of their own emotions, and the Academy was established in the hope that reintroducing some of the baser emotions would neutralize the crippling depression. Unfortunately for the Jove, this proved to be not the case. But by the time the Jove were ready to give up this quest, they had encountered several of the other empires in New Eden, specifically the Galenti and Caldari. At the time, the Jove had little in the way of a navy, as the idea of engaging in combat was almost unthinkable. Suddenly faced with other races who had spacefaring capabilities, the Jove recognized the need to field an actual fleet. The Academy of Aggressive Behavior was tapped to provide the cadets for the Navy, as it was decided that the crew of the ships would require the ability to take an aggressive front when faced with potentially hostile entities. While there was little need for this in the face of the Federation or state, this precaution proved to be vital in the Jove's encounter with the Amar Empire. Methods. The Academy uses a variety of methods to reintroduce aggressive emotions into their recruits. The first and most widespread method is gene therapy. In this method, the Jove splice genes into already living Jove through the use of specially designed retroviruses that transmit genetic code into their cells. Through this, a Jove who is born without the capability of expressing emotions such as anger and intimidation gains that ability later in life. Secondly, most often as reinforcement to the first method, is psychotherapy. Utilizing cutting-edge behavioral modification techniques, the therapists assist the cadets in expressing their newfound emotions constructively. For those Jove born with the capability for aggression, the therapy is tailored toward increasing its usefulness and directing it where it is most useful. It is suggested that many of the therapists utilized in this endeavor have been taken from students of the Society of Conscious Thought. If so, few have publicly admitted their involvement. Finally, the Jove bolster the gene therapy and psychotherapy with a broad spectrum of drugs intended to assist in regulating the emotions of the cadets. Many utilize boosters before and after combat to heighten their aggression and bring it down, respectively. Additionally, as many Jove are unused to dealing with aggression in their daily lives, cadets often take anger-suppressing drugs when dealing with others of their kind.